Family planning is an essential part of life. It involves making decisions about when to have children. This process is vital for ensuring a healthy and happy family life. By planning, you can make informed choices about your future. Understanding family planning can help you avoid unexpected pregnancies. It also allows you to prepare better for your child's needs. This preparation includes financial planning and considering health factors. Family planning is not just about preventing pregnancies, it's about ensuring that when you do decide to have children, you are ready for them. Family planning is beneficial for both individuals and society. It helps families maintain a balance between their resources and needs. It also allows parents to provide better care and opportunities for their children. This leads to healthier and more prosperous communities. Family planning is an ongoing process. It requires continuous evaluation and adjustment of plans. As life circumstances change, so should your family planning strategies. Keeping this in mind will help you make the best choices for your family's future. Contraception methods are crucial in family planning. They help you control when and if you want to have children. There are various methods available, each with its own benefits and drawbacks. Condoms are easy to use and protect against infections. Birth control pills are taken daily and regulate hormones. IUDs are small devices inserted into the uterus. There are both hormonal and non-hormonal IUDs. Discuss with a healthcare provider to determine the best choice for you. Birth control pills are a popular method of contraception. They are easy to use and can be very effective when taken correctly. The pill works by regulating hormones to prevent ovulation. It also thickens cervical mucus to block sperm and thins the uterine lining to prevent implantation. There are different types of birth control pills. Some contain both estrogen and progestin, while others contain only progestin. Combination pills are the most common and are taken in a 28-day cycle. Progestin-only pills are an alternative for women who cannot take estrogen. It's important to take the pill at the same time every day. Missing a dose can decrease its effectiveness. Some women may experience side effects such as nausea, weight gain, or mood changes. It's important to discuss these potential side effects with a healthcare provider. Birth control pills also offer additional benefits. They can help regulate menstrual cycles, reduce menstrual cramps, and decrease the risk of certain cancers. For many women, the pill is a convenient and effective way to manage family planning. Long-term contraceptive solutions can be more convenient for some individuals. These methods do not require daily attention and can provide effective protection for several years. Intrauterine devices, or IUDs, are a popular long-term option. They can last anywhere from 3 to 10 years. IUDs are inserted by a healthcare provider and can be removed at any time. Another long-term method is the contraceptive implant. This small rod is inserted under the skin and lasts up to 3 years. Sterilization is a permanent solution for those sure they do not want more children. This includes procedures like tubal ligation for women or vasectomy for men. Planning finances for the future. Planning finances is a critical aspect of family planning. Children come with a range of expenses from daily needs to long-term educational costs. Being financially prepared can help reduce stress and ensure you can provide for your family's needs. Start by creating a budget. This will help you understand your current financial situation and identify areas where you can save. Build an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Health and life insurance can provide financial security for your family. A financial advisor can help you choose the right policies to protect your family's future. Health considerations in family planning. Health is a key factor in family planning. Ensuring you and your partner are healthy can improve your chances of conception and lead to a healthier pregnancy. It's important to address any health issues and adopt healthy habits before trying to conceive. Start with a preconception checkup. This can help identify any health conditions that might affect pregnancy. Conditions such as diabetes or hypertension should be managed before conception. Your healthcare provider can also offer advice on lifestyle changes to improve your health. Adopting a healthy lifestyle is crucial. This includes eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding harmful substances like tobacco and alcohol. Maintaining a healthy weight can also improve fertility and reduce the risk of complications during pregnancy. Mental health is also important. Stress and mental health issues can affect fertility and pregnancy. Taking care of your mental well-being through stress management techniques and seeking support when needed can contribute to a healthier family planning process. Deciding the right time for parenthood. Timing is an important consideration in family planning. Deciding the right time to have children involves evaluating personal, professional, and financial readiness. This decision can impact your family's future and should be made with careful thought. Consider your personal goals and aspirations. Are there things you want to accomplish before having children? This could include career milestones, travel, or personal development. Ensuring you have achieved these goals can help you feel more ready for parenthood. Evaluate your professional situation. Are you in a stable job? Do you have the flexibility and support needed to balance work and family life? Making sure you are professionally ready can help reduce stress and provide a stable environment for your child. Financial readiness is also crucial. Ensure you have the resources to support a child. This includes having savings, a stable income, and the ability to cover childcare and other expenses. Being financially prepared can help you provide a better future for your family. Balancing career and family goals. Balancing career and family goals is a common challenge in family planning. Many individuals want to achieve professional success while also having a family. Finding this balance requires careful planning and prioritization. Start by setting clear goals for both your career and family life. Identify what is most important to you and where you are willing to make compromises. Having a clear understanding of your priorities can help you make informed decisions. Consider flexible work options. Many companies offer flexible hours, remote work, or part-time positions. These options can help you balance work and family responsibilities. Discussing your needs with your employer can help you find a solution that works for both parties. Seek support from others. This includes your partner, family, and friends. Having a strong support system can make balancing career and family goals more manageable. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. Sharing responsibilities can help reduce stress and ensure you can enjoy both aspects of your life. Customizing your family planning strategy. Every family is unique, and so is every family planning strategy. Customizing your approach to fit your needs and circumstances is essential. This involves considering various factors and making choices that align with your goals and values. Start by assessing your current situation. Consider your health, finances, career, and personal goals. This assessment can help you understand what you need to focus on and what adjustments you might need to make. Explore different family planning options. There is no one-size-fits-all solution, so it's important to find what works best for you. This could include different contraceptive methods, financial plans, and health strategies. Discussing with a healthcare provider can provide valuable insights. Be flexible and open to change. Life is unpredictable, and your family planning strategy might need adjustments along the way. Being adaptable can help you navigate unexpected challenges and stay on track with your goals. Challenges and solutions in family planning. Family planning can come with various challenges. These challenges can include health issues, financial constraints, and balancing different priorities. However, with careful planning and support, these challenges can be managed effectively. Health issues can be a significant challenge. Conditions such as infertility, chronic illnesses, or mental health issues can impact family planning. Seeking medical advice and support can help address these issues and improve your chances of success. Financial constraints are another common challenge. Raising children can be expensive, and financial worries can add stress. Creating a detailed financial plan and seeking financial advice can help you manage your resources better. Balancing different priorities can also be challenging. This includes managing work, personal goals, and family responsibilities. Finding a balance requires setting clear priorities and seeking support from your partner and others. Open communication and planning can help you find a balance that works for you. Summary and encouragement. Family planning is an essential process for creating a happy and healthy family. By making informed decisions, you can ensure that you are ready for the responsibilities and joys of parenthood. This involves understanding contraception methods, planning for the future, and considering key factors in starting or growing a family. Remember, every family is unique, and your family planning strategy should be too. Customize your approach to fit your needs and circumstances. Be flexible and open to change, and seek support when needed. Challenges are a natural part of the family planning process, but with careful planning and support, they can be managed effectively. Stay focused on your goals and make adjustments as needed. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights into family planning. For more tips and information on family health, consider subscribing to our newsletter. Together, we can create a healthier and happier future for our families.